Hello children, now in class 8th, linear equation in one variable. In the last video, I explained you all about the linear equation in one variable. So before starting exercise 2.2, although we discussed the last exercise in NCERT, it is exercise 2.1, and you would have done such type of question earlier also. So I don't waste time along with this. So we'll deal with few questions in exercise 2.2. It is very interesting. These are the applications question based on the linear equation in one variable. It will tell you whole about the linear equation in one variable. So in linear equation in one variable, what we have, linear equation in one variable. So let me give one more example. Suppose x plus 5 is equals to 7. So linear degree 1. Degree for variable 1 is called the linear, and equal this equation sign of is equals to one variable, only one variable would be using here. So up to question number 2 it was done earlier, and we'll start with doing the question number 3 from exercise 2.2, which will give you an idea. First we'll frame a situation which would be based on the linear equation in one variable. It would be in the format of linear equation in one variable. So let us, I'm reading a question for you and I'm making a situation for you, and how to give the answer of these questions that you all will understand by watching this video. So in question number 3, the base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3. Isosceles triangle, here I made a triangle A, B, C, and the base it is given, and given this is 4 by 3 centimeter. 4 by 3 centimeter. So question number 3, what's the given? The given is what? Base of a triangle is equals to 4 by 3 centimeter. Now in this question it is being, what is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? So you know what is happening in this? In isosceles triangles, as we know, two sides are equal. So suppose this would be x centimeter, this also would be x centimeter. So here we'll write, let the equal sides of triangle is x centimeter. And according to question, what in the question it is given? According to question, the perimeter is given. So what do you mean by perimeter of this? In this, AB plus BC plus AC, which is equals to, this is the perimeter of triangle. So what's the AB we have? X. What's the BC we have? 4 by 3. What's the AC we have? X. This is the centimeter it is given, and the perimeter is also given. What's the perimeter is given? 4 whole 2 by 15 centimeter. So this is the equation you have. What? 2x is equals to, this would be 62 upon 15 minus 4 by 3, which gives what? LCM would be 15. This is 62 minus 20. So this would be 42 upon 15. So what is the value of x? 42 upon 15 into 2. So this is 21, this is 7, this is 5, so this is 1 whole 2 by 5 centimeter. So I just want to tell you one thing more. Whenever you all are doing such type of questions, we are finding out the value of x, which is not ultimate answer. What is the ultimate answer? You need to see the question very seriously. The question number 3, what is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? So here we'll write finally the length of either remaining size is equals to 1 whole 2 by 5 centimeter. So this is all about question number 3. You won't have any doubt. I did it for you all because you all must know how to do the questions, how to write the steps in this exercise. And now we'll discuss with only few important questions which may create some problems. So important is to understand the question. Then what is the next things we should have? We should have next thing, what? How to frame the situation, and you all know how to find out the value of variable in the given question. So now question number 4, sum of two number is 95. Here question number 4, we always have to, you always have to be smart while you are framing the situation. Sum of two number is 95. We don't know what the two numbers are, so we don't be bothered with this statement. If one exceeds the other by 15, so here we'll start with let other number be x, hence one number be what, x plus 15 as per the question given. One number is exceed 15 by other, so while we know other number, then only we have a one number. So the one number is x plus 15. Now this is according to question, now this is x plus 15 is equals to 95. Now you will find out the value of x very easily. 2x is equals to 80, x is equals to 40, and what are the numbers? The numbers are 40 and 55. That's it. This is all about question number 4. Question number 5, I don't feel I require to explain this you all. This is very easy. Here it is given the numbers are in the ratio 5:3. So dear children, whenever the numbers it is given in the ratio, we would have some common thing. So the numbers are in the form of 5x and 3x, and if they differ by, so 5x minus 3x is equals to 18, you will have the value of x and you will find out the numbers. Now question number 6, 3 consecutive integers. Please mind such type of things. Whenever the consecutive integers we have, consecutive means what? One after one. It means suppose we have 2, so the next number would be 3, next number would be 4. Suppose we have, if the number starts with 4, what would be the consecutive numbers? 4, 5, 6. But what it would be assumed while it is matter of the variable, so we always go with, this is question number 6, let the three consecutive number is x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Keep it in the mind, and the rest it is very easy. Now add up to 51, means x plus 1 plus x plus 2, which gives 51. So this is 3x is equals to 48 and x is equals to 16. So what are the number? 16, 17 and 18. So check whether all, whenever we are adding 16, 17, 19, whether it is 51 or not. 16, 17, 18. So this is question number 6. Tally the answer whether it is coming or not. 3x plus 3 is equals to 51. 48, x is 16. Okay, 16, 17 and 18. When we add all this, 16, 17 and 18. 51. So our answer is exactly correct. We don't need to see even the answer. So don't leave answer here up to x is equals to 16. Write down the final answer, which is 16, 17 and 18. So this is your question number 6. Now come to the question number 7. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8, that you need to understand here. Here there is a bit change in the question number 7. Multiple of 8. So let the three consecutive multiple of 8. What are they? Yes, come on. 8x plus 1 and 8x plus 2. 3 consecutive multiples of 8. Consecutive numbers are what? X plus 1 and x plus 2. And they are the multiple of 8. 8, right? The next is what, you know? The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 8. So this would be what? If we take this according to question, what we have? 8x plus 8x plus 1 plus 8x plus 2 is equals to 8. How to solve this? If you take the common, this gives you x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equals to 8. And if this is in the multiplication, if you keep this to right side, so this gives 3x plus 3 is equals to 8 divided by 8. So this gives 1 1 1. So 3x is equals to what? When 3 carry from left side to right side, it would be subtracting. So this is 108. So x is equals to 36. So what are the multiple? The multiples are 8 into 36, 8 into 37 and 8 into 38. Multiply and you'll have the answer for the question number 7. So this is all. So this is something. Again here, this was the question number 7. Let us see the question number 8. 3 consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively. Question number 8. This is again based on 3 consecutive numbers. So just I am framing a situation for you and I'll just leave this to solve by you all. Only just I am trying to make the situation, and probably you would have get also. 3 consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order. So what are they? X, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Let 3 consecutive integers x plus 1, x plus 2. When it is multiplied by 2, multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 4. This is given, and they add up to 74, means plus it gives 74. So now you will have a value of x. I don't feel you will have any problem. So I am leaving this question number 8. Now this question number 9. The ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. So let us see now the questions based on the ages. Question number 9. Question number 9. Let Rahul's present age. Here it is given the ages of Rahul and so this is only in present age is given. So let Rahul's present age is equals to 5x years. Why 5x years? Because it is given the ratio of 5:7. Let the Harun's present age is equals to 7x years. Alright. Now in this question what it is? 4 years later the sum of the ages will be. So 4 years later, here we'll write 4 years later. What do you mean by 4 years later? 4 years after 4 years. 4 years later Rahul's age, which will be 5x plus 4 years. 4 years later Harun's age. Come on, what's the Harun's age? It will be 7x plus 4 years. Alright, 7x plus 4 years. Now sum of this means 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4. This is given. What this is given? 56. So you will find out the value of x, and once we all have a value of x, we'll have Rahul's percentage and we'll have Harun's percentage. Here it is asking what are their percentages. So this is all about question number 9. Question number 10. Please, why I am doing all questions for you all, so that it will provide you idea how to present the situation, how to make the situation, and how to do this statement question, how to convert it into a linear equation in one variable. So question number 10 now. The number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. So when we begin to do this question number 10, let the number of boys is equal to what? 7x. And let the number of girls, what this is? 5x. Now the number of boys is, what's the number of boys? This, according to question. The number of boys is 7x is equals to, keep it in the mind, this always, this helping verbs will help you to say something about the, this is sign of is equals to, is equals to, the number of boys is 8 more than means plus 8 means 5x plus 8. Now what is the total class strength? So x is equals to what? I think x is equals to 4. Number of boys will be what? Number of boys will be 28 and number of girls will be what? Number of girls will be what? 20. So total strength will be what? 48. So this is your question number 10. Now question number 11, it's very interesting. Question number 11, very interesting. It's a very interesting question. So after completion of this question number 10, I feel I'll start with the next video, so that after the completion of question number 10, you all will go ahead in the next video. Thank you.